This special leave petition has been filed against the judgment and order dated 24th April, 2008, passed in writ petition number 28 of 2006 by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, by which the writ petition against the order of dismissal of the petitioner's application and successive appeals under the Right to Information Act 2005 has been dismissed full stop. In the said petition, the direction was sought by the petitioner to the respond number 1 to provide information as asked by him via his application dated 5th November, 2004 from the respondent number 4, a judicial officer, as for what reasons, the respondent number 4 had decided his miscalculation appeal dishonestly, full stop. Next para, the facts and circumstances giving rise to this case are, that the petitioner claimed to be in exclusive possession of the land in respect of which civil suit number 810 of 2000 was filed before additional civil judge, Ranga district, praying for perpetual injunction by Dr. Rao against the petitioner and against, from entering into the suit land, full stop. Application filed for interim relief in the said suit stood dismissed, full stop, being aggrieved, the plaintiff therein preferred CMA number 180 of 2000 and the same was dismissed, full stop. Two other suits were filed in respect of the same property, including the petitioner also as the defendant, full stop. In one of the suits, REOS number 875 of 2003, the trial court granted temporary injunction against the petitioner, full stop, being aggrieved, petitioner preferred the CMA number 64 of 2003, which was dismissed by the appellate court, responded number 4 wide order dated 10th August, 2004, full stop. Next para, petitioner filed an application dated 5th November, 2004 under section 6 of the RTI Act before the administrative officer assistant state public information officer, respondent number 1, seeking information to the queries mentioned therein, full stop. The said application was rejected wide order dated 23rd November, 2004 and an appeal against the said order was also dismissed wide order dated 20th January, 2005, full stop. Second appeal against the said order was also dismissed by the Andhra Pradesh State Information Commission wide order, full stop. The petitioner challenged the said order before the High Court, seeking a direction to the respond number 1 to furnish the required information immediately, full stop.